There's no dual citizenship in the kingdom of God. You can't have two passports. You pull out your worldly passport. You kind of look like the world, sound like the world, and things go a little easier. And then you're in Christian environments and you pull out the, look at this. You really know the lingo. We're really spiritual when it's time to be spiritual. We made the fence. We made the line, and we walk on it. There's either the kingdom of light and the kingdom of darkness. We're either serving Christ or we're serving the devil. And you say, well, people may not know it, though. How can you say such a thing? It doesn't matter how well-intentioned someone is or what we claim to know or not know. Even in our ignorance, you're either on one side or the other. He did not come to offer a fence to walk on or a line to straddle. He did not come to be sprinkled in on your already amazing life. He did not come to be a little inspiration for you. He didn't come to be a footnote in the novel of your life. He came to be your all in all.